Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel EduVenture SG. So today we'll be solving a very interesting question on whole numbers. So let's start with reading the question first. So there is an equal number of cars and motorcycles in a car park. A car has four wheels and a motorcycle has two wheels. They have a total of 114 wheels altogether. So part A is how many motorcycles are there in the car park, and part B is how many wheels do the motorcycles have altogether. Okay, so I think most of you will be solving it using guess and check, right? But I find guess and check very time taking. First of all, you have to draw a full table with lots of columns and all, and there's a lots of calculation involved, and and the worst thing is that you have to guess the number. So I really don't like that method that much. But of course, if you don't know any other method, please go for it. It's better than leaving the question. But the better method would be to solve it using assumption method. So today I will be teaching you assumption method. So let's see. Let's see what's the question is. Once again, there is an equal number of cars and motorcycles in a car park. Okay, so one thing is clear: the number of cars and motorcycles in the car parks is same. Now this information is quite redundant. I would say that a car has four wheels and a motorcycle has two wheels. So as a primary four student, all of you should be knowing this. So this part might or might not be given in the question. Okay. So they have a total of 114 wheels altogether. What does this means? It just means that if you count all the wheels of all the cars and all the motorcycles together, the total would be 114. Okay, so let's say there are 10 cars and 5 motorcycles. If you count all the wheels of all the 10 cars and 5 motorcycles, it will be 114. So I'm not saying that's answer, we'll find it. So that's just an example. So let's start using the assumption method. How do we use it? So the first thing is you have to assume something. So here my assumption is, let's say the number of cars the number let's say the number of cars is 1 unit. Okay, let's assume. Okay, so you can also say, since this is assumption method, you can also say let's assume. Okay, let's assume the number of cars in the car park is 1 unit. So what do you think, what will be the number of motorcycles? Okay, so the number of motorcycles, okay, so what do you think it will be? Yes, it will be also 1 unit. Why? Because it's given in the question here, there are equal number of cars and motorcycles in the car park, right? So if the number of cars, if we are assuming the number of cars is 1 unit, then the number of motorcycles will be also 1 unit. Now, what is the total number of wheels? Okay, total number number of wheels cars have. So what do you think? What is the total number of wheels cars have? See, one car is four wheels, right? Each car is having four wheels. So 1 unit of cars will have how many wheels? It's simple. It will be 4 times 1 unit, which is 4 units. Okay. Now similarly, the total number of wheels motorcycles have. So think about it. I will be writing the answer soon. So what do you think the total number of wheels motorcycles have is? Since each motorcycle have two wheels, right? Two wheels. So 1 unit of motorcycle will have 2 times 1 unit, 2 units of wheels. Okay, so the total number of wheels cars have is 4 unit, and the total number of wheels motorcycles have is 2 unit. Now what is the total number of wheels? Okay, that means that includes both. Okay, total number of wheels, okay, is how much? It will be 4 unit plus 2 unit, which is equal to 6 units. So this includes both. Okay, so this includes both car plus motorcycle. Okay, now since we know it's given in the question that the total number of wheels is 114, we can easily say that 6 unit is equal to 114. So how much is 1 unit? It is 114 divided by 6, which will give you how much? It will give you 19. Okay, now let's read our part A of the question. How many motorcycles are there in the car park? Tell me, how many motorcycles are there in the car park? What we have assumed? We assume that the number of motorcycles in the car park is 1 unit. We already know that how much is 1 unit. So we can straight away write our answer. The number of motorcycles okay is equal to 19. Okay, the number of motorcycles is 19. Okay, so that's our part A. And how about part B? How many wheels do the motorcycles have? Now you can get it from here. See, the total number of wheels motorcycle have is 2 unit. Okay, so for that we just need to find how much is 2 unit. Okay, so the total number of wheels motorcycles have, okay, motorcycles have is 2 units. Okay, you know right where it is coming from, right? It's coming from here. So it's 2 unit, which is equal to 2 times 19, which is 38. Okay, which is equal to 38. Okay, so I hope you understood this question, you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye.